Right guys, Bobby D here. I'm just going to show you another free traffic method. I wasn't going to put this one in, and I'll be honest, it's not one I've used for a while, and I just remembered about it. But it's one I used to use all the time, and as of today, I'm going to start using it again. And it's called Google Alerts. If you just type in Google Alerts into Google, and then you just need a Google account, which obviously everyone's got an email. What this basically does is you can put keywords into here, and then the Google Alert will monitor the web for those keywords. And when it sees those keywords entered into like a blog, for example, or onto a website, you get an email about it. So the benefit of that is you can put a keyword in, you can then reply to that blog using your signature, or you put in your affiliate link in, and hundreds and hundreds of people are going to see it. So this is the main page, the Google Alert page. These are some of the things that sort of people are searching on at the moment. But let's just type in, for an example, make money blog. And you just drop this options down here, and this says once a day, once a week, as it happens. So this is when it gives you the updates. I would choose once a day. If you do as it happens, every time someone types in make money blog, you're going to get an email. Once a week's too much, once a day's fine. Sources, automatic, it does them all. Region, any region, and I do all results. So all these, some of the stories obviously are not going to suit us because it pulls up everything, but like for this one, it's got the blog, make and money about golf. We're not interested in that. But go through it, and there are blogs on here that you can write in. So let's have a look at this one. Social media, top blogging for beginners. So let's have a look. So this is a blog about blogging, which is good. And normally, yeah, so you could put here, yeah, well, you would write something like, great blog, really interesting, thanks very much. If you're interested in making money or making money blogging, have a look here. And then you can put your affiliate link in there, and people are going to start viewing it. And really, it's that simple. It's not a method that people use a lot, Google Alerts, and I don't know why, because it's brilliant. And I'll be honest, I've stopped using it, but I'm back using it again. Let's have a look at this one. Write an article, 51 ways to write a blog. Sometimes you can't leave comments on it because it's just the way it is. But a lot of the time you can. So look at this one. Oh, this is a YouTube video, so you could leave a comment in the YouTube video box here. Under comments if it lets you. Yeah, you can put a comment in there, put your affiliate link in there. So it's just another way, another free way of getting free traffic, and this is actually a really, really strong way of doing it. So that's it. Very short video, guys. That's Google Alerts. Start using it. It's really good.